Well, it's unquestionably the case that Unleashed has made us a more efficient business. I think if you break it down to the individual tasks, it's quite clear that we are either simplifying those tasks or removing them altogether because we have a better way of doing things now. Renewable Parts are a business, an SME, based in the west coast of Scotland, in Renfrew and Loch Gilphead. So our customer base is actually very varied. It numbers in excess of 100 customers today. It stretches from the largest utility companies like Scottish Power, E.ON, EDF, Energy, down to the smallest of customers, a farmer who may have only one or two assets on a hill. One of the most exciting things about Renewable Parts is its speed of growth. We have quadrupled in size in the last 3 years. We doubled last year, and this year we anticipate doubling again in size. Managing inventory is a highly complex area. It may seem very simple to many businesses, but they actually do it quite poorly. When you have hundreds and thousands of parts moving daily, you've got to understand what is the forecast demand, what are the likely changes in that demand, what is the cost structure of that inventory, and how do you get greatest efficiency. Unleashed is the hub, really, of the business. It is the central software package that allows us to drive the warehouse, our logistics, our accounts, in time, our sales pipeline and CRM. So without doubt, when we were thinking about the software solution for our business, we were thinking about the user-friendly interface of it. We find that not just is the software Unleashed good, but we actually like working with the Unleashed team. I don't know whether it's a Kiwi spirit, but they have that can do, let's get on with this. We're not tripping over bureaucracy. Unleashed and the way it is designed and set up and works within our business is vital. I mean, we couldn't really imagine now not having a software package like Unleashed. There is no question that we will and already are recommending Unleashed to other customers. We see that for two principal reasons. One is because we think it's a great software package that can help them improve their business. But I guess secondly, quite simply, because if they are using it and we're using it, then it creates a tighter relationship and hopefully a more long-standing relationship with them, and we can move together longer term. I don't think it's an exaggeration to say that we're probably 40% more efficient now